Today is Vlogmas day 7 and it's already late and I did not video or film the rest of my chores today, but we woke up at 8 a.m. and then we did the laundry, and then after the laundry we walked April on the area, and then we did the groceries and I did cook for lunch, and I'm going to show you the clip of it. So today I went to commissary and bought this stuff right here. So for these 4 Dove deodorant, I did use 2 of this coupon, and I think they are $4 each. So it's like kind of $17 minus 6, so it's like $10. 2 4 6 8, or I don't know, but they are very affordable. And right here I just bought a toothbrush, but they're not really in a coupon or sale. And right here I bought this razor. They are on sale around $6 and I have $2 off, so I bought 2 and used 2 identical coupon. And right here I bought this Axe body wash, and I think they are $3 each something, and then $2 off when you buy one. And right here I bought this Dove men shampoo and conditioner. You buy 2, there are saved $4 right there. I think there are $3 something. And right here I bought these herbal essences. They are $5.24 each, so I bought 2 because of this. It's going to expire today, so I bought 2 of these, and they are around 10.48, so minus 5, so I just paid 5.48 cents for this too. And for these here, I don't have the coupon. I believe these are $2 off, and they are on sale for $2.19. Usually these are like around $3.08, I think. And then now they are $2.19. So I just paid 19 cents each of these because I did use 2 coupons, each of one each. So I paid something, I don't know, like $4. It's supposed to be $4.38 and minus 4, so I just paid 38 cents for this too. So yeah, that's how it is going to be a coupon. And then I did the grocery haul, which I'm going to show you guys now. I did a lot of couponing today because of some of my coupons are already expired today, December 7th, 2019, and some of them I did use, and some of them are not expired until next week or until December 28th. So I'm just like trying to grab as much as I can, because it's hard to buy things that when you don't have a coupon on it. And I went to the store today and looking at everyone's cart if they have some things that I have the coupon. And one of the lady, I gave her the coupon for the Tide, which is $2 off, which not that bad because $2 is $2. So that's it. And I'm going to finish this vlog day 7 today because I'm really tired and I feel like I did a lot today. Plus I did clean some dishes too, and I need to put more later on before I go to bed. And I'm just resting right now. We just have to do a lot of laundry today, especially it's raining. And I did put the laundry, the comforters. We have a lot of comforters, and I did wash the bed sheets too. So everything right now are clean. It smells good. All of our hand cloths and my face towels and our towels are clean, especially the bathroom rags are clean also because I put them in the washer. And yeah, a lot of things today I did, and I'm not even done yet. I think it's only 5 p.m. right now. Currently it's 9:45 p.m. and I'm going to do is put a mask on. This is a sheet mask by Ariel, and this is my 3rd time to use this 7 days mask, and I'm using this aloe, which is calming and soothing. And for you guys to know, I put this in the freezer, so this is going to be a very cold in the face. So I'm going to open it now. And this is how it looks like. So it kind of have a what do you call this? The serum is kind of a little bit white, and all of the serum are inside of this sheet mask. So I'm going to put this for at least 15 minutes to 20 minutes. So I'm going to put it now. What is this one? Smells good. So this is how it looks like. It's very refreshing and it's very moisturizing in the face. So I'm going to leave this for 20 minutes and I'll be right back. Guys. So done for tonight. Take this off. Then use this moisturizing cream. And that's it. See you guys tomorrow on my Vlogmas Day 7